The history of printing is as old as when man made cave paintings. Humans have made designs for their products, such as tablets, vases, and drinkware, globally for thousands of years. There is a desire to place your culture on your goods, whether that be an allusion to fables, honorary figures, or corporate logos. Screen printing was the first imaging process to provide a means of producing large quantities of artwork in a relatively short amount of time, as well as providing versatile printing for both cylindrical and flat products. It also paved the way for different methods of art to be expressed, which was most popularly used by Andy Warhol, who ironically used the screen printing art process used by the very same commercial entities he used for his artwork. That reflects commentary on consumerism. The process of screen printing involves using a mesh screen to transfer ink onto a product. Areas on the mesh are made impermeable, which is what creates the design. The tool used is a simple blade of squeegee. Traditionally, the mesh was made out of silk, but it is now polyester for durability and how inexpensive it is comparatively. Screen printing has traces as far back as China during the Song dynasty, between 960 AD to 1279 AD. It gained popularity for industrial use in the United States during the 1930s. Due to its simple means of material to begin production, it has frequently been used by subcultures, starter businesses, bands, and more for advertising their message over the decades. Screen printing today is integrated into many different production processes. Servo motors can be integrated as well as leveling stations for your products that may require precision within more than a thousandth of an inch. We went from using a manual blade and silk to automatic 6-color printing with vision integration, automatic ink dispensers, automatic loaders and unloaders, all to complete a turnkey operation for your product.